places where you'll start seeing them, probably today, you see, is the blind spot detection. Maybe there's some forward-looking cameras. And the most popular that's coming up now, where we're seeing a lot of designs, are the surround view. This is really a parking assist where data will be captured from, say, 4 cameras that are strategically placed around the car. And the data is then combined within the processor and used to create kind of a bird's eye image of the car and its environment. Great for parking, right?
Yes.
You know, you can see how that's being used. Similarly, things, you know, like blind spot detection could rely on cameras. Lane tracking, pedestrian recognition is another very critical one, which, you know, there's some talk of even mandates or quality ratings for vehicles being based on having these features. So really moving more into not just the convenience of helping you to park, but the safety, safety of the driver, safety of pedestrians, people around them. So that's where really preserving the quality of the data, being able to stream the data so that there's no loss, there's no compression, becomes very important, because now you want to process the data, take that information and make decisions on it, and give recommendations to the driver, or even take over control from the driver. You see some of the newer vehicles have the automated braking. For instance, there would be a recognition of a car or a pedestrian, and then there would be the car taking over to slow down or to give a warning to the driver. So those are systems that really need, they call about the safety of the interface itself. So we see cameras going, you know, everywhere in the vehicle. Certainly being able to reuse them for multiple purposes is great. And then even some indication of using the cameras inside the vehicle for monitoring the driver. Driver starts to nod off, you know.
Right,
yeah.
right.
So I think there's a lot to do here, and then ultimately going forward is taking this information and leading to, you know, the autonomous driver idea, where sensor fusion is going on. You have radar, you have LiDAR, you have camera information, all coming together to help make decisions on how should the car be driven.